Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can merge videos in CapCut app. So you can open the CapCut apps and tap on your project. So you can select videos or photos that you want to combine. For example, select the photos and then select collage, and you can select format collage, for example. Alright, and you can also change the ratio according to your needed, and then just click continue. Alright, your photos or your videos has been merged. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.